Hello, beautiful and amazing people. I hope you're all doing great. My name is Amito Mitra from Kampala, Uganda, East Africa. Welcome to my channel. Today is a very beautiful Sunday morning. It's cloudy. Unlike the past 2 days, it hasn't rained today. I hope it doesn't rain later in the day. Oh my God, rain in Kampala is too much lately. It's really, anyway, it's a rainy season. We really appreciate the rain, but oh, it's too much. It's too much lately. But regardless, we move. Today is a Sunday and I want to take you guys through my Sunday. I hope you enjoy this. Just so much I need to do in this video. I have some visitors coming in and I want to take you guys through everything I'm going to do today. I hope you enjoy and learn something from this video. I love you all. It is today that I have noticed that this ring light stand is extremely dirty. Check here. I need to clean it. Unfortunately, I can't use it. My God, it's so dirty. Check. I can't use it because it broke. This is the part that holds my phone when I'm shooting. Unfortunately, this other part broke. It's supposed to be like this one, so it holds the phone so well. So it broke. That means I can't use it anymore. I don't know whether I am supposed to just buy a new holder or I should just buy another stand. So if you're out there and you know someone who sells this part alone without me having to buy the whole ring light, can you let me know? Because ring lights are very expensive and I don't think I have money to do that right now. I don't think I budgeted for it. So I'll be waiting for your comments. If you have anyone that you know that can help me sell this alone to me, I'll be grateful. As for now, let me just clean it and keep it.
Sometimes I wish my daddy was here so I could get a little hold of what a daddy could give. I saw my dreams fade in the streams of the dad ironic water has a sat on the streets. Sometimes I wish my dreams were real. I would have been a little different in viewing me.
So I want to clean my mirror. Unfortunately, my sufficient is done. This is what I normally use to clean the mirror, but it's done. I don't know. But I'm going to find a way of cleaning it. I didn't even notice it had gotten done. I also want to throw all these toothbrushes. All my visitors have toothbrushes here, like whoever comes to see me. Susan, Rita, Edrich, everyone. Nicole, Lillian, everyone's toothbrush is going to be thrown. So next time when you're coming, you will get other toothbrushes. So I already bought myself these. I'll be using these, and any other two lucky people that will be sleeping over anytime soon will get from these. Okay, so let's first clean this place. So after using just water and soap, this is how the mirror looks like. I'm actually impressed. I didn't think it would come out this clean. But until we buy the Sufficient, this is what we will be using. Someone was asking me about this multi-furniture polish in the previous video. This is how it looks like. It has really helped me with my furniture. It gets them really clean. And then this Febreze also helps me with freshening the house and the bathroom. I got it from my friend Natron. He sent it all the way from the USA. Thank you so much, Natron. This came in handy and I feel bad that it's about to get done, but yeah, I'll use it until oh wow, I'll use it until it lasts. And then our toothbrush holder is less crowded now, so until we get visitors, this is how it will be looking. So ciao. Guess what? It is raining. It has started raining. I hope it's not as bad. I wanted to go out and buy some food to come cook for my visitors, but by the look of things, I might have to send an Uber or a border guy. That's if they're okay with it. This rain is annoying. I mean, it rains every day. I'm so tired, you guys. I'm tired. I love rain, but this is too much. So I'm going to cook fresh fish And then I'll also be cooking some sukuma wiki. I have some avocado there. I'll be boiling some rice. These are some of the ingredients I'm going to use. I've been having them for a week now. That's why this one looks like this. I have some pasta. And then I also want to cook some posho. I've sent my border guy to buy me some maize flour. So let's see how it goes. So I'm now cooking. My visitors are like 5 minutes away from here. I'll be letting you guys know when they get here. Unfortunately, they'll have to wait for another 1 hour to eat because I just started cooking. And then another thing you people were asking me about, Grace. Grace is not around. She left 2 days after we came back from Ginger. She is in another part of the world that you guys will be knowing in her videos. So stay glued to her channel and then you'll know where she is. But she's going to come back anytime soon. And I'll be letting you guys know when she comes back. So go support her and also go to her channel and find out which part of the world she is now. Otherwise, let's get back to the cooking. I swear to God, I don't know how we got here. The least I remember is I picked these girls from the parking. We started conversing. I don't know how we entered the house and how we got to sitting like this and conversing. And yet we are even meeting for the very first time. Like, I don't know them. They don't know me. We're just meeting for the very first time. We've just been knowing each other online. But the conversation we had today looked like we'd known each other for a very long time. You guys, I think these are friends I should keep. I mean, everything was just flowing. Oh God. Today was a movie. Thank you so much. My 2 new Kenyan friends, Malika and Mercy. I really had a very good time with you guys. So let's just move on to the next thing. So guys, dinner is ready. This is now dinner. It's no longer lunch. Wow. And we are about to feast. I'll be showing you what is on the table. Are you guys excited about our dinner? Yes. Meanwhile, we've been here having a very long conversation. We've talked for close to 2 hours, right?
Yeah.
And we were still talking. If it weren't for the food, we would still be talking.
We'll still be talking.
Yeah, so guys, join us for dinner. You're most welcome.
Thank you for preparing. Thank you so much. I mean, this looks so nice.
I totally forgot to introduce them. We just got into a conversation, but here they are. This is Malika.
Hey guys, thank you so much, Amito, for having us in your house. This was supposed to actually be lunch date, but now it's dark already, so it's dinner, guys.
Yeah.
So my name is Malika. I'm a Kenyan YouTuber. My channel is Malika Does It, and yeah, we've come here to see our beautiful sister from Uganda. She invited us for lunch, which now is dinner. But anyway, we are so excited for the food, and the food is, oh my God, you guys are not even ready.
Stop it.
Hi guys, my name is Mercy from Mercy's Empire. I'm so delighted to be here. We've been invited for a dinner. I can say it's a dinner, and I'm seeing like my appetite is coming. Oh, thank you so much, guys. Comment, subscribe, and share this video from her subscribers. Kindly comment.
You don't need to tell them you're Kenyan because they see it.
Oh,
yeah, of course.
My royalty.
One thing I love about Kenyans, where is yours?
I don't have any.
One thing I love about Kenyans is that they walk with their nationality everywhere.
Everywhere.
Here in Kampala, most Kenyans have that.
Yeah.
So you just say it and know this is a Kenyan.
And even my Ugandan friends, they're always telling me to buy them this. So whenever I go home, I buy and give.
You bring them there.
Ugandans, why don't you want to look Ugandan? Why don't you want people to know you're Ugandans? Actually, most Ugandans wear the Kenyan flag instead of the Ugandan flag. Yeah, most of them.
My friends do.
I don't know. Someone comment down below and tell me why.
Ugandan bracelets.
We do, but on rare occasions, will you see someone having a Ugandan one? They're normally having the Kenyan one.
I'll start wearing both, like Kenyan and Uganda. I'm going to buy a Ugandan.
Yeah,
tomorrow.
Sometimes you find that half is Kenyan, then the other half is Ugandan.
Oh, I've not seen that one.
Or or East African, Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda, all in one bracelet.
Oh, I haven't seen that
I
one.
should get you one.
Oh,
when you come back from Kenya.
thank you. Oh,
Oh, we should
Is that a
actually go
plan?
with you to Kenya.
is that a plan?
Yeah,
You guys,
we
I'm
should.
going to Kenya.
Yes. Why not? By the way.
Christmas plans. Christmas plans.
Yeah, by the way, that should be a Christmas plan.
Yeah, definitely.
I'm going to
It
Kenya,
will
you
be
guys.
really nice.
Bye. I'm going to Kenya.
We're stealing your girl.
Okay, let's first enjoy our dinner. We'll get back to you guys later.
Yes.
So, oh, let me open this.
Check.
This one too.
Oh. Nice. Is this kumawiki?
Yep.
And then some avocado.
You know how Malika loves avocado.
Oh, really?
I love avocado. Ugali! And then we have some pasta. Oh gosh, this girl is spoiling us today. Damn.
The confession, you. I'm a poor eater.
What?
You're a poor eater.
She knows I'm a poor eater.
I'm a poor eater too. So just eat what you can and leave.
Yeah. Eat what you can. That's
I
the
am glad you will not get offended.
Not at
No,
all.
as long as you eat something.
Yeah, as long as you eat something.
Much better when I know this. Now you got a testimony and I say it's binding you. So let the world know what the Lord is doing in you. You were robbed days every day, we know that it's true. But if you get them to the efforts, man, it's not what you did. It's a good God.
They will stamp on your heart like
You
this.
will be taken to a home and coming to realize that was not your mother-in-law to be. Somebody was hired to act.
What?
These are Kenyan men, but they will not take a lady's money.
Oh, wow.
I think they're just too proud
Yeah,
to actually even tell you that they don't have money.
Yeah,
They might not have money, but they might not tell you. But they will cheat.
they will cheat.
Oh my God, they will
They'll
cheat.
pregnant you plus your best friend.
Are you for real?
Yeah, you know that's funny. I don't know if it's a thing, but yes.
Kenyan men
They will
will
come
be
for
watching
you.
this, please.
And then when you come with your friend, they'll be like, oh, even your friend is also someone. Then they'll try again to lure your friend into the relationship. And if they see another one again, they'll do the same thing.
Yeah.
But
Just trust God.
True.
Just trust God. If you hear your instinct is warning you about someone, follow your instinct. My instincts were telling me not to trust. I remember the time I was saying, no, your instincts are telling you not to trust them. But you here, you're getting confused with all these sweet stories, sweet words, what, and you trust. But trust your instincts. True. Trust your instincts.
but all in all, the dating scene is just, I think it's just the same everywhere. Yeah, like men are the same, whether white, blue, yellow, green, whichever race. I think men are just men. You'll always meet good men. You'll always meet bad men. It depends. Now you just have to use your sixth sense.
Even ladies are bad.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, true. Not forgetting the ladies. Oh.
So there was gone are the days where men used to cheat and women are there. Nowadays the other way around, and if a lady decide to use a man, you're dead.
Yeah,
You're gone.
true.
Yeah.
Would you date a Ugandan man or a Kenyan man?
Tough question. I haven't dated a Ugandan man yet, but I wouldn't mind trying because I've dated Kenyan men already. I wouldn't mind trying a Ugandan man. Definitely. Of course.
Mercy?
I would date a man of God. Not a Ugandan, not a Kenyan. A man, God's man. God's man, not a Ugandan man. I am almost reaching at my actualization, and I think dating should be the last thing on this highway that I'm running.
But at some point, do you think that you'll date or get married?
No.
You don't wanna?
No, I'm done.
You don't wanna get married?
You know, not everyone was born in this world to get married
True.
or to give birth to kids. Let me just say I was not born to get married.
Don't say that.
Yeah.
Don't say that. Could also be lucky and get someone who really appreciates you and loves you and helps you change this whole narrative. So never say never.
And yeah, I know I can't say yes, I am a believer in never say never. But no.
Ugandan men, what did you do to my sister?
They are bayai, most
No,
of
you
them.
see. You see what she's saying. Ugandan men.
Bayai. Hey, wow. Even Ugandan men, Kenyan men have had a share. But Ugandan men top the list.
Ugandan men, why?
Wow.
A story for another day.
Story for another day. You even scaring Malika.
Am I scaring
And
you?
yet she really wants a Ugandan man.
No,
Am I scaring you?
I don't mind. I'm not saying that I want, but I don't mind at some point trying. But I'm just not. It's not my thing, man. I'm not like in any hurry. I'm just there. I'm just there. Yeah, but at some point I will try, and if I try, I'll let you guys know. I'm gonna come back and tell you.
Once I get to know you're dating a Ugandan man, I'll be right at your door. I want the before and after.
Hey.
So guys, finally, hey, my visitors are growing.
What are you doing, Mitra?
I have so many things, and you know, I was
What's this red?
cooking.
Oh, it's
I was cooking, so I had to real cover my hair so that it doesn't fall into the food. All right. Did you find any hairs in the food?
No, of course
Okay.
not.
That is the purpose of this.
Yes.
So my friends are living. They came as visitors. They are living as friends. You guys, I'm so happy. I don't normally open up to people for the very first time, but today we had conversations that I didn't ever think I would have with other people. So thank you so much for coming. I'm so happy.
Love your energy.
I'm so happy I have a Kenyan family here. And guess what, guys? I'm going to Kenya. And I'm extremely excited. So these are two Kenyan YouTubers. I'm going to be leaving their channel names here, and I'll also be putting their links in the description box. Kindly go and support them as well. We are family.
Yeah, it's Africa.
So what are you waiting for? Go and check them out and let them be family as well, just like you are family to me. So we love you so much. You have anything you want to say?
Thank you so much for having us in your house. We really enjoyed. The food was amazing. The food was amazing, as you guys have seen in the video. And I think, you're going to be seeing more of us.
Sure.
Okay, my parting words, thanks so much for having us in your channel and in your house. We really, really loved the moment. I cannot take this for granted anymore. Also, kindly follow us on Instagram. I have an Instagram account. It's 254Mercy.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm here to stay. Hey, Uganda, I'm not leaving. Now that I'm getting good, vibing friends, I think I'm here to stay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for honoring my invite. I'm really humbled. And before everyone watching, I just want you all to know that I love you so much.
Oh, I love you, man.
Thank you. Thank you for embracing a stranger and not refusing to come and visit me. Like someone else would be like, where are we meeting her for the very first time at her home? Who does she think she
but
is?
you are the one who we should be thanking, because you took strangers in your house. You know, that's something that doesn't happen so often. So thank you so much.
It is not easy.
Yeah.
I always
Like total strangers. Imagine.
I'm always having that problem of inviting people over. You know me.
Yeah.
But here I felt at home and think I should work on me too.
We came as strangers, but we are living as family.
Friends and family, and we will be doing so many other videos together very soon, actually. Very, very soon.
Like you guys are not even ready.
You're not ready at all. So thank you so much for watching. We love you all and see you in the next video. Bye bye.